Are you over 60 and feeling frustrated, embarrassed, or even hopeless about erectile dysfunction? You're not alone. Millions of senior men silently suffer from ED, and the worst part? Most are told to just accept it as a part of aging. But what if I told you there's a natural, safer way to reclaim your vitality without relying on expensive pills or risky treatments? In this video, we're going to reveal 7 powerful vitamins that can naturally reverse ED quickly and safely. Backed by science, these nutrients target the root causes of erectile dysfunction like poor blood flow, low testosterone, nerve damage, and stress. So grab a pen, sit back, and watch till the end, because your comeback starts today. Welcome back to Health I Seek, the channel where we bring seniors the truth about natural healing, vitality, and aging strength. Disclaimer: this is for educational purposes only and does not substitute any medical care. Always seek advice from your doctor before making any changes or decisions regarding your health. Why vitamins matter for ED. Before we dive into the list, let's quickly understand, why do vitamins even matter for erectile dysfunction? The truth is, ED is rarely just about the bedroom. It's usually a warning sign of deeper problems: poor circulation, low energy, hormonal imbalance, or even inflammation. Vitamins help restore your body's natural ability to perform by boosting nitric oxide, supporting healthy testosterone levels, improving blood flow, and even enhancing nerve sensitivity. Now, let's dive into the 7 vitamins every senior man should consider and how they can change your life. Number 1. Vitamin D. The sunshine vitamin. Let's begin with vitamin D, also known as the sunshine vitamin. While it's famous for bone health, vitamin D is actually a hormone-like nutrient that's crucial for testosterone production. Low vitamin D levels are directly linked to low testosterone, which is one of the biggest causes of ED. It also helps increase nitric oxide production, the molecule that allows blood vessels in the penis to relax and expand for an erection. Many seniors have low vitamin D because they don't get enough sunlight. On top of that, this vitamin reduces inflammation, improves mood, and supports cardiovascular health, all of which influence sexual performance. You can get it from fatty fish like salmon, egg yolks, and fortified dairy, or you can take supplements, preferably D3 with K2, in doses of 2,000 to 5,000 IU daily. Make sure to take it in the morning with some healthy fats for better absorption. 2. Vitamin B3. It is also known as niacin, the ultimate blood flow booster. Niacin helps dilate blood vessels, improving circulation throughout the body, including to the penis. It's especially helpful for men with high cholesterol or clogged arteries, which are common in older age. One clinical study showed that men with moderate to severe ED saw significant improvements after taking niacin. This vitamin also reduces oxidative stress, lowers LDL, bad cholesterol, raises HDL, good cholesterol, and boosts energy metabolism, all essential for sexual performance. Foods like turkey, chicken breast, brown rice, and peanuts are great sources. If supplementing, start with 250 to 500 milligrams, but be careful. High doses may cause a flushing sensation. The no-flush versions are less effective for ED. Number 3. Vitamin E. It is another powerful ally. Known for its antioxidant properties, Vitamin E helps protect and repair blood vessels, making sure they remain elastic and functional. This leads to better blood flow and longer-lasting erections. It also improves testosterone levels, boosts sperm health, and protects the testes from oxidative damage. Seniors especially benefit because oxidative stress increases with age. It even supports nerve health and sensitivity, both important for arousal and pleasure. You can find it in almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and avocados. When supplementing, choose natural forms like mixed tocopherols and stay within 200-400 IU per day. No need for mega doses, which can cause harm. R44. Vitamin B12, the ultimate nerve protector. B12 is essential for healthy nerve function, red blood cell production, and energy. A deficiency in B12 can lead to fatigue, brain fog, depression, and, you guessed it, erectile dysfunction. Seniors often suffer from B12 deficiency due to reduced stomach acid, which is needed to absorb it from food. B12 helps maintain nerve sensitivity, boosts oxygen delivery, and supports the production of dopamine, the brain's pleasure chemical. Meat, eggs, and dairy are great sources, but if you're vegetarian or have absorption issues, supplements are recommended, around 500 to 1,000 mcg of methylcobalamin daily. In severe cases, B12 injections may be necessary. 5. Vitamin B9. It is also known as folic acid, another key nutrient that helps reverse ED, especially when combined with B12. Folic acid supports the production of nitric oxide, the same molecule that relaxes blood vessels for better erections. Research has shown that men with ED often have low levels of B9. It also reduces homocysteine, a compound that damages arteries. Folic acid boosts mood, energy, and nerve function, making it a triple threat for sexual performance. It's found in leafy greens, beans, and liver, or you can supplement with 400-800 mcg daily. Combined with B12 and zinc, folic acid creates a powerful formula for vascular and sexual health. Number 6. Vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 may not be as famous, but it plays a crucial role in keeping your arteries clean. It prevents calcium from building up in your arteries, a common but often overlooked cause of erectile dysfunction. Stiff or calcified arteries can't carry enough blood to the penis during arousal, leading to weak or inconsistent erections. K2 works especially well when taken with vitamin D3, as they support heart health and hormone balance together. K2 is found in foods like natto, a fermented soybean, egg yolks, and hard cheeses. Look for the MK7 form in supplements and aim for 90-100 mcg daily. It also supports bone health and hormone function, both important for aging men. Number 7. Vitamin C. It is widely known for immunity, but also a powerful ally in the fight against ED. It supports the regeneration of nitric oxide, protects against oxidative stress, and improves the strength and elasticity of blood vessels. On top of that, vitamin C helps regulate stress by supporting adrenal function, which keeps cortisol levels in check. Chronic stress is a major contributor to ED, and this vitamin helps you stay calm, focused, and energized. Citrus fruits, bell peppers, broccoli, and strawberries are excellent sources. If supplementing, 500 to 1,000 milligrams per day is ideal. It can also improve prostate health, urinary flow, and overall stamina. In conclusion, erectile dysfunction doesn't have to be the end of your intimacy or confidence. With the right nutrition and consistency, You can start reversing ED naturally. No blue pills, no expensive treatments, just your body healing itself. These 7 vitamins target the root causes of ED and support everything from blood flow to hormone balance. But remember, always consult your doctor before starting a new supplement routine, especially if you're on medications or managing health conditions. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Health I Seek, and hit the bell icon for more science-based health tips. And we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below telling us which vitamin you're already taking or plan to try. Your journey to a stronger, healthier you starts now. Stay strong, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next one.